Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the incredible health benefits of garlic. Garlic is not only a flavorful ingredient in many dishes but also a powerhouse of medicinal properties. So, let's dive right in and explore the 11 health benefits of garlic. Health benefits of garlic. Number 1, boosts immunity. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties. It contains compounds that enhance the activity of immune cells, helping to strengthen the body's defense against infections and diseases. Number 2, reduces blood pressure. Studies have shown that garlic can help lower blood pressure levels. The active compounds in garlic promote relaxation of blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and a reduction in hypertension. Number 3, lowers cholesterol. Garlic has been found to have a positive effect on cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of garlic can help reduce LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Number 4, fights common colds. Garlic is a natural remedy for common colds and flu. It contains compounds that have antiviral and antibacterial properties, helping to alleviate symptoms and shorten the duration of colds. Number 5, supports digestive health. Consuming garlic can promote a healthy digestive system. It aids in the digestion and absorption of nutrients, while also promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Number 6, enhances brain function. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative damage and may help improve cognitive function. Some studies suggest that garlic consumption could potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Number 7, anti-cancer properties. Garlic contains organosulfur compounds that have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. These compounds have shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of colorectal and stomach cancers. Number 8, promotes heart health. Regular consumption of garlic can help promote heart health. It has been shown to lower the risk of heart disease by reducing cholesterol levels, improving blood flow, and reducing inflammation. Number 9, supports bone health. Garlic contains nutrients like manganese, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, which are essential for maintaining. Garlic contains nutrients like manganese, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These nutrients contribute to bone density and help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 10, anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and certain cancers. Adding garlic to your diet may help alleviate inflammation and promote overall wellness. Number 11, supports detoxification. Garlic aids in the body's natural detoxification process. It contains sulfur compounds that activate enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins and harmful substances from the body. Including garlic in your diet can support liver health and promote detoxification. And that wraps up our list of 11 incredible health benefits of garlic. Isn't it amazing how one humble ingredient can offer so many advantages? Remember, though, it's essential to incorporate garlic into a balanced and varied diet for maximum benefits. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Get ready to be amazed in our next video. We can't wait to see you there. Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.